Hi, welcome back to Cook Like Chris with Chris Cook, the only recipe review show on YouTube, to the best of my knowledge. I haven't actually checked or anything. I'm your host, Chris. Today is a special episode because it is another recipe request. It comes from the Winnipeg subreddit on Reddit. Long story short,
Have you got anything without spam in it? Well, spam, egg, sausage and spam. There's not got much spam in it. I don't want any spam.
Why can't you have egg, bacon, spam and sausage?
That's got spam in it.
Not as much as spam, egg, sausage and spam.
Look, could I have egg, bacon, spam and sausage without the spam?
I'm making a Winnipeg-inspired barbecued spam burger with honey dill sauce. Yep, spam burger. To make my burger, I'm going to be taking advantage of our glorious Winnipeg summers, as well as my Assiniboine Park-inspired barbecue pit. So without wasting any more time, let's check out our ingredients.
Spam, 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 spam.
For the burger, we're going to need our spam, as well as everything we need for fixings, such as lettuce, tomatoes, red onion, cheese, as well as some fresh Kaiser buns. For the honey dill sauce, we're going to need 3 tablespoons of mayo, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of dill, and a squeeze of lemon. The honey dill recipe I'm using today actually comes from the Travel Manitoba website, links below, because I wasn't going to trust any other recipe for such a Manitoba dish. Might as well go straight to the source. It's really simple. First up, we'll mix the mayo and honey together until they're completely combined. Then we'll add the dill and lemon and mix again. Once that's done, we'll let that sit in the fridge for about 15 minutes. For the burger, we're going to open up our spam here. I've never done this before, so you'll have to bear with me. I've never opened, this is actually the only spam I bought, and I've never actually opened it before, so I'm not sure what to expect. So we'll open this guy up. Ooh, it's slippery. I think I'm just going to cut it into 2 pieces here. When it comes time to grill, we're going to do so for 5 to 7 minutes, turning regularly until it's all heated and through. When the spam is almost done, we'll add our cheese on top so that it can melt for a bit. I also like to toast my buns, so I'm just going to throw those on as well. So cheese is melted, buns are toasted. That leaves one thing left to do. Let's assemble our burger and give it a taste. I'm actually going to use the honey dill sauce like it was a mayo. Okay, so I just barbecued my spam burger here on the hottest day of the year. Here we go. It kind of just looks like your normal pork burger so far. And again, I use the honey dill sauce sort of like a mayo, even though it's a bit runny. That's why I just kind of poured it all on top. But anyway, that leaves us with trying it out, shall we? I'm a little nervous about this, but here we go.
Bacon, sausage and spam. Spam, bacon, sausage and spam. Spam, egg, spam, spam, bacon and spam. Spam, 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 egg and spam. Spam, 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 baked beans, spam, spam, spam and spam.
That's strange. It has a really weird consistency. Yeah, I don't think I can recommend this to anybody. That was weird. It's the texture. Maybe if I grilled that for longer? I don't know. Anyway, thanks again for joining me on Cook Like Chris with Chris Cook. My barbecued spam burger did not turn out the way I expected or was hoping. Maybe if there's a better way to do this, you can leave me a comment down below. Dill sauce, I do recommend that. Check out that full recipe on the Travel Manitoba website. Yeah, barbecue spam burgers, I don't know. Not for me. As always, please like and subscribe. So until next time, later. Yikes.
Can't have egg, bacon, spam and sausage without the spam! Why not? Ah, it wouldn't be egg, bacon, spam and sausage, would it? I don't like spam!
Now that I'm inside and have cleaned up, I realized what I should have done with my spam burger. I cut that thick piece of meat into 2 slices. The recipe did originally say to cut it into 4 slices. That was probably it. It seemed like it was thick like a burger, but didn't cook down like a burger. Those thinner slices probably would have tasted better and probably would have had a better texture too. So if you're gonna try this, which, you know, it's up to you, slice into 4 thin slices, try that. If you do, let me know in the comments down below.